It's been going around the Dogecoin community, the idea that Amazon should throw its support behind the cryptocurrency Dogecoin in an effort to drive the value of what is being called the people's coin. It is unclear if Amazon will choose to accept Dogecoin, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the near future, but with the world's richest man, Elon Musk, recently announcing that his company Tesla has recently purchased $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, it seems like a distinct possibility that at some point in the near future, the ability to pay with cryptocurrencies of different sort like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum and so forth, may begin to integrate into the mainstream. But, will Amazon follow suit and start accepting Dogecoin and other crypto coins as payments? Well, considering that the value of traditional currency continues to deflate year by year, and considering that the major financial institutions literally print money as needed, and that if all loans and debts were called it, banks would entirely collapse, the emergence of a new form of currency may be entirely replace the existing monetary system in the not-too-distant future. Amazon allows you to pay for products on its website, but cryptocurrency is not one of them. This is a sensible decision, considering that Amazon relies on many centralized structures to function correctly. To openly offer support for a cryptocurrency would have severe implications for the company. To answer your specific question, Amazon will not accept Dogecoin in the near future anyway. However, there may be ways to use your Dogecoin to pay for something for Amazon. There are two ways, in fact. First, you can withdraw Dogecoin to US dollar from an exchange and pay for the product. This method is devoid of the anonymity benefit, though. Second, you can use the Dogecoin currencies to purchase Amazon gift cards, bringing you the desired products from Amazon. In the second method, since the gift card does not necessarily connect to an individual, you can protect your identity while making the payment. Of course, you may have to pay a commission to get a gift card using Doge. However, you can find websites that accept Dogecoin that belong to different categories. Therefore, it all comes down to you to see if the product or service you want is available on those sites. If yes, you can enjoy the top speed as well as anonymity offered by Dogecoin transactions. It may be a wise decision for companies like Amazon, Tesla, and even the average investor, to begin collecting the new currency before the old one is phased out, assuming that ever happens. It's been going